Hey everyone, I apologize for hopping on a little late here, and please excuse the mess in the background. We've been packing boxes most of the morning, so we're a little late this month, but we're going to go over what is inside our box of the month, and the theme is Jesus Feeds the 5,000, and the box we're going to be looking at is the Faith Builders box, so the older kids group. Each box will come with a little thank you note, a little note that has all of what's inside the box, and usually this will be on here. I didn't want to seal it just because I didn't want to take it off. But usually each letter is sealed with our little Messages from Christ wax seal, and this is the letter inside, the Message from Christ for this month. Again, focusing on Jesus feeds the 5,000, so it's the story of him feeding everyone with the loaves of fish. It was 5 loaves and 2 fishes. 2 fish. So that is what he fed a whole big crowd of people with. And inside, I never know how to put these so everyone can see it best, but this is a quick look at what's inside, and we're going to go over it. First thing is these cute little, each box will have different colors, but these are the little raffia things that are going to go in here. Where did I put it? I had an example of the craft. Oh, sorry, it's over here. Take a look at the mess right now of everything, but this is the craft for this month. This one's, I've used it for a lot of stuff actually, so it's a little banged up, but it's just this cute little raffia basket that the kids can make that their toy for the month can go into. It's also a sensory object. It's a squish bread, and that can go inside their basket that they make. And the idea is to give the kids toys, sensory kits, crafts that reinforce the story. And so we've got a bookmark for the month, our scripture card, we've got all the supplies for the Faith Builders. This is what comes with each box. For the older kids, they get a scripture memory card that they're meant to work on, and these are the instructions and the chart for kids to mark off when they've memorized their new scripture of the month. And each time they memorize that, they get a new bead that they can add to their twine, and these beads are also really nice. They can color or paint them and collect those for each box that they do. And there's our stickers, some bread stickers there, and then some instructions for our sensory kit. And the sensory kit for this month, these really cute little resin bread pieces, and then this white floof is one of my favorite sensory kits so far. It feels really nice. It's really soft, and I guess it'll stick to your hands if you work it into your hands like this, but otherwise it's not sticky. And again, these boxes work really great as a sensory kit box, so you can put the sensory floof stuff inside. We also have our warning label for the sensory kit and our booklet for this month. And at the bottom here is just the frame that the kids use with the raffia to make their baskets. So that is what is inside our box of the month. Again, the theme is Jesus Feeds the 5,000. And just a little sneak peek at something we have for next month. This is something that will be inside, so it's kind of a probably guess what next month's box is about, but yeah. So this is going to be for July, which is coming up pretty soon. So we're going to do a live stream for July, hopefully a little sooner than this month. But yeah, if anyone has any questions, you can comment below, and I'll see you guys next month.